Ratan appears in public for the first time after the wanted tag has taken part in the protest at Kaisampot. 6 injured as Band supporters pelt stones at oil tankers in Senapati. Driver of an oil tanker critically injured. And former Union Minister Dr. Najma Heptullah will be the first woman governor of Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News, and I'm Kishore Chandrawal Kimcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. A day after he broke his silence to media, former convener of Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System (JCILPS), Komram Ratan, who was declared wanted by the government, appeared in public today and took part in the relay hunger strike organized by JCILPS at Kaisampat Laimajam Lekai Community Hall. Komram Ratan joined the relay hunger strike early in the morning along with women leaders. Speaking to media, Komram Ratan said he is not an absconder and he will continue to work to pass a bill for the protection of indigenous people of Manipur. Mention may be made that Manipur government declared Komram Ratan wanted on June 2 following a photograph featuring him holding a flag of BAN outfit UNLF surfaced in social media.
Mission oide, I iralate, I mirror oide, Edamoida, Nasi Langaxina, Tamato, Toshilamatana, I miam Gedumba, Marati, I Kaidubamoi, I miam the Lerakanda, miam Pulakanda, miam Yellow Mikan Bagi, Mukhido Bangrova, Yellow Miam, can be Hosa in Makatana, Saptana Saru, Yazaragania, Budu Pecorana, I can see Mahoma Torakanda, Miam Gedumba, Yellow Mikan Bigadumba, Kungse, Chisaru Yazabani. And I see Sakana Silva Dumba ILP Bilase, Masi Mamanga Tokibadumba Miam Pama Villa Amagumna, Amu Wudotro Haidanaba, Yamun Kalakanda, Bilasi Semunum Pamale, Akuna Daka with Badi. Akuni Manga Mukito Yellow Missing Kanbaduneva. Yellow Missing Kanaba Hanabada, Upayamati Buneva. Madu Upaidu, and the Shango Billadana Madu Upaidu, Oidrugadi, Bilasama passed over Canabarite, Aduna. Past October Bilse, Machina, Aku Yellow Missing Book, Kangataba, Namadaba, Kayachuna Yauba, Bilama, Ugadabuni have some hiding, Miang Mintel Amal, Naurakanda, Karamonda, Wasiki Bilasi, Karamon, Semakana Sakana, she proposed over Bilase, Masikai, the Swibly, Masikai, the Hako the Hamilton Viadumba, people get Mintel Obuya, Bagadumba Tanzam, Lahoni Magi, Apamale.
Kaisamthong MLA Laishom Ibomcha and Thangweban MLA KH Joy Kishan today came to Kaisampat Laimajam Lekai, where protesters demonstrated demanding inner line permit system in Manipur and met Komram Ratan to extend their moral support to the movement. MLA Laishom Ibomcha criticized the declaration of Komram Ratan wanted by the state government. BJP MLA KH Joy Kishan said it was a ploy to suppress the ILPS movement. He said a man declared wanted now appears in public in the heart of the city.
Substitute way, we power again, Columbia, Aduga, Adu Matakta, Mayam mass support Levinina, women who can walk in Kandar man country. Among other way, second thought Kandar Mudumali, Tito Roka, they have a reaction though, Laki Abadina. Amar of the case lady say, Hydorga Yard, Pagi, not the Nina, we worked over the Moy to Kitan Karwan to the government. Lagi the party up on the agent.
Inner line permits Lalaga, Yellow Missing Kanaba Honaba, Manipur Saktam, Kaidan Honabada. Hanba Laitana, Tonapana, Kariguma Aran, Bamato, the Honari Habido, Nasi Magna Miama among the Tolopasina. Aina Yam Nooking Badi, history the Zule Horagadaba. One tet, I will meaning say Lady Bagom the Kang of Donut Hater. Guantene, Kale, Kota Sumasi wanted Hyper Poches, Chummi and the Mokoni yet live in the government Satiki. Adu Batara Badi, Masana Huzik Tolaga, Miam among the Pamba Lerega, Papa Lakriba say, Masi Wahan Toxe Carino have say, Manipur Pazak with one nine about the car oil.
One person was critically injured while another 5 sustained minor injuries in an attack by supporters of economy blockade this morning around 8:30 at the outskirts of Senapati town on the way towards Imphal. Usham Brijend, age 24 from Kurkul, driving an oil tanker, was injured in the head and he is said to be critical in condition. He is currently admitted at Raj Medicity. 5 other persons were discharged after first aid. About 10 oil tankers were also partially damaged in the attack. Earlier, a convoy of oil tankers escorted by CRPF crossed the area, but these group of tankers were passing without the escort when they were pelted with stones. Meanwhile, all Manipur Road Transport Driver and Motors Workers Union strongly condemned the attack on the oil tankers and also warned of band and seize work if the government fails to provide security to the drivers' fraternity of the state, ferrying every essential items from outside the state. General Secretary of the Union, Maimom Anil, said causing harm to properties and persons to gather demand instead of using democratic form of agitation is unreasonable. Anil also maintained that the act of violence that happened today is an open attempt to kill drivers.
Government na cuma sih cap caba, soiba pali ba macam sih cap caba, muni yang sendiri kita ni, nanti di lambi sih cari ba gari sing, driver sing totally aku ada bantau na begitu, macam sem sahab sulu ada, lambi sih dah nungai bagi lak pun cuma apa, aku lagi, macam kita cara nu thang nama porak poni, adu matung dah warning sungai, kayak gumba matung dah tahu sungai yaro, hai bagi porak mau tham dana, hekta hal sunu, sih sunu hai bagi mong dah, ada cingsak tadi mi nipu yang kai mu torok ada nungjau ada dah ada, agak apa lana
Another driver, H. Ranjan, appealed not to give any threat to the lives of drivers. He also stated that the escort system provided by CRPF is unsatisfactory. Ranjan said CRPF personnel never take any action against ban and blockade supporters whenever such unfortunate incidents occurred, and appealed to the authority concerned to replace the CRPF with the state force.
Ngarang pung mapan tara dagi akoi isko torok bane nungdang dagi aduga senapti yau kan sida hojiki haiba mafam sida accident tawe na jam taw le mapaji senapti gi petrol pump dei khitang laga po yoli mkhong ama ani uma laga lep leitana nung thajale khoi da adu thongnau jing khala khoi khangge da CRP jing na kaisu kan bukhot pa leigi de khoi da sigi isko khusa che ta sengna CRP na tor chat pe mong je yam mong ta de aduga mamang da dum chakra maning thaba yengbi da ba dagi
Former Union Minister Dr. Najma Heptulla will be the new governor of Manipur. Dr. Heptulla will be the 18th governor of the state. She had resigned from Union Ministry on July 12 this year as she had crossed 75 years of age. The former Vice President of Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, will replace V. Shanmuganathan, the governor of Meghalaya, who has been looking after the state of Manipur from September 30, 2015. Leader of BJP legislator Khumukcham Joykishan today welcomed the appointment of former Union Minister Minority Affairs Dr. Najma Heptulla as the new governor of Manipur. Speaking to media at BJP office at Nitai Pachuthek, MLA Joykishan described the two-time former deputy chairperson of Rajya Sabha as an academician, researcher and social worker. He said she had contributed towards the empowerment of women in the country. Joykishan maintained that in a place like Manipur where women's movement is strong, she will be able to ensure a good administration. He said BJP Manipur Pradesh will give her a grand reception when he arrives in the state.
Dharma ki wafam natabita punamak su chap anana yengba ngamba ama khalakpada chap chaba lamdam sigi adugumba governor ama oiragani haibase aina thajabga loinana Congress ki government na sigi governance leitriba mathung maram khangdaba Najma Heptulla na governor oiraga afaba governance ama portuna tangdu laita triba mayam ase afaba lainga ama lagani haibase ayakna thajaba thamjari.
BJP Manipur today held protest demanding distribution of rice to beneficiaries under the National Food Security Act. Members of Youth BJP Uripok Mandal and Mahila Morcha took part in the protest organized by BJP Uripok Mandal at Uripok Khaidem Lekai. President of Uripok Mandal Purna Chandra said the BJP is against the discrepancies in the implementation of National Food Security Act in the state.
Sarkar asige mayokta akoi pendabado phongdok charebane athu matamda phangom thokpa seng adu phanganbiu seng kilo manga mikok amada seng kilo manga aduna household mi manga leiba tari kilo kun manga phangadamni mi tara leiba tari kilo yankai phangadamni haibegi trend sida chathabiduna yamna athu matamda jike harba seng ase phanganbiu lairba singge sakhau matkena khanbigano aduga sakhauda politics tobigano asi asimo phom asi ai Bharatiya Janata Party Uripok Mandal ge maikai degi ai chininaw sing phom da lebak mi phom da telangna thamjinjare.
The dead body of a man was found floating in the Imphal River this morning around 6. The dead has been identified as Thongam Romain, 35 years, and son of Thongam Rajen from Singjamai Thongam Lekai. Sources said he had been missing for the last couple of days. The dead body was discovered in the river near the water supply intake pump at Singjamai Khetri Lekai, Okram Lerak. A team of Singjamai police fished the body out of the river and deposited it at Rims Morgue. The relay hunger strike demanding inclusion of Meitei in the list of scheduled tribes has entered the 10th day today. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, also joined the relay hunger strike today, held under the banner Campaign for Inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe List of India. Coordinating body's Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee launched the relay hunger strike on August 7, and it has been continuing at various locations of Imphal. DESAM executive members today underwent a fast in support of the demand. DESAM Secretary General Edison said they will support the decisions of the coordinating body's Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee in future also. A statue of the founder of Model Higher Secondary School and former MLA late Nongthombam Ibomcha was unveiled today on the school campus. Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai and Lok Sabha member Dr. Thokcho Maina were among those present at the unveiling of the statue of the founder of the school, popularly known as Tera Lai. The attendees offered flowers at the statue of the leader. Police had arrested 273 cadres belonging to various underground groups from January 2016 to June 2016. A government press release said 4 extremists were killed in the encounter with police and security forces, while 64 different weapons were seized from them, along with 959 assorted ammunition, 41 hand grenades, 12 lethal shells, 68 detonators, 5 bombs, 1 TNT bomb, 4 IEDs, 27 gelatin explosive sticks, 2 safety fuse and 1 electric detonator, and 3 walkie-talkie sets. The police security forces also recovered Rs 6,50,552 and 50 count from leaders and cadres of various underground groups. It also said 32 persons, including cadres of UG outfits, were detained under National Security Act. Time now for a short commercial break. Keep watching Impact News.
Special course Hauzaragani. Department of Agriculture and Directorate of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj ki Progress Assistant Village Level Worker Office Assistant cum Computer Operator LTC Village Extension Worker Field Assistant ki Special course Hauzaragani. Class Haubagi numit August ki tangani thoi nungthil pung 3 dagi pung 5 minute 95 faubani akupa marol gidamak Proactive Academic Wakatil Imphal the contact of you. Forest Guard launabagi aiba changing idama special course Hauzaragani. General Knowledge English Maths and Science special emphasis pizagani August ki tangani thoi di class haugani class ki matam ayuki pung 3 makhai dagi 8 faubani akupa marol gidamak Proactive Academic Wakatil Imphal the contact of you.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A press meet was held in connection with the World Indigenous Day observance at DESAM office today. Speaking to media persons, as Coalition for Indigenous Rights Campaign Circa Youth Front co-convener Rajesh Yumnam said Tripura People's Front Northeast Indigenous Peoples Parliament and the Circa jointly organized the observance in Tripura on the 9th of this month. He said on reaching Tripura, a mass rally was held demanding protection for indigenous people from Jerenia to Kumulong, and a meeting was also held at the new auditorium Kumulong, attended by representatives of the northeastern states.
Yamna laibak thiba thogdo amana Coalition for Indigenous Rights Campaign Sarkar Youth Front ki chatliba member punna yankhai mangani nupi macha 35 ga loinana akhoi asi acham amadi Tripura ki tainaba mafam Suraivari da tawge yauna tawba matagum Tripura police na ahing ama detain tawraga thamki nongma khaki program ama yauna ba honabada North East ta lairiba yamna pikhraba mafam asida numit tare ni sangki masina takpadi North East ta lairiba ikhoi mayam asi pau phauna danaba thawaina India government na lambi asi sembidrabra haina Coalition for Indigenous Rights Campaign Sarkar Youth Front ki members sing na khanjai aroibada haijaning badi Manipur government na lambi thong sing asi athuba matamda miang chanbinaba Coalition for Indigenous Rights Campaign gi maikai dagi appeal tawjari.
Adhaksha of Imphal East, Zilla Parishad P. Bimola has lost the no confidence motion, and a new Adhaksha will be chosen in the next 2 or 3 days. The voting began from 11 in the morning at the office of Chief Executive Officer at Imphal East DC Complex. Out of 19 Zilla Parishad members, 18 were present, but 8 members abstained from voting and 11 voted against P. Bimola. Commotion ensued when the P. Bimola entered the CEO office after the vote, claiming 3 members were suspended by the authority. Police personnel maintained a strict vigil to prevent any untoward incident during the voting. Mention may be made that no confidence motion was raised against Adhaksha P. Bimola on August 6, and the Chief Executive Officer on August 9 fixed the date for voting.
Government gi approval dugi matung ina ngasi अखोगी अगस्त की तांग 13 स्पेशल मीटिंग जी कॉल तौजबनी अखोई अयुकी पुंग 13 दगी होजबनी अतो होजी अखोगी नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन लगो मचनदा होगी 11 जेपी मेंबर ना अखोगी सी मतांग दा भोट से थादबा वोटिंग लोइरे
अखोगी मेंबर अखोगी हौजिक लाइबा मेंबर सिंग सी मरक तगी मेंबर अहुम सी डिस्क्वालीफाई तौरेना गवर्नमेंट की साइड ती ऑर्डर लाए अदन गवर्नमेंट यारगदी मसी गुंबा मथोंग तब गवर्नमेंट की तौरिंग तौबा वन साइडेड लोइबा मी अमा खक्तंग यंगांदा पुनमकी डिस्ट्रिक्ट की लेरिबा अखोगी फंडामेंटल राइट सिबु मतकनी गा खनबसे मसी गवर्नमेंट के थादोपियो.
People's movement was halted for some time between Napetpally and Lamlai in Imphal East under Lamlai police station after police detected a substance suspected to be a bomb at Paurabe, Thongkong. People were not allowed to pass the Imphal Ukrul road in the area from 7:10 to 9:45 in the morning. A team of 45 Assam Rifles personnel posted at Nongpok Kakching detected a packet of used diapers and suspected it to be a bomb. Later, a team of police and security forces rushed to the spot to take stock of the situation. The bomb expert team of IGAR South examined the packet and confirmed that it was not a bomb. President of All Non-Regular Employer Association of JNIMS, Asem Basanta, has refuted the allegation by KCP Poire Maite that the association, in collusion with JNIM's director, is collecting money from the members of the association for regularization of non-regular employees. Speaking at a press meet at JNIM's conference hall, Asem Basanta said the association was already there before the director took charge of JNIM's. He denied the allegation that money was collected from the members and termed it as baseless.
Poire Maite loop KCP gi group ama khangna aikhoi gi association gi maramda kadom dagino khangdaba source kharana moida base woiraga hairiba anuriya gi general secretary na contract basis ta leiriba staff sing sibu regular da convert to bigani haidana sen khome haiba wafam masi association gi site gi masigumba thabak chathaba amata leite mayamna gi ayaba loraga fund contribution when PR the season anabagi the contribution khrat obadi.
Secretary General of CAF and PD Labour Welfare Association, Romendrojit Moirangcha, has stated that they will resume their duties without charging any wages in the interest of the people from tomorrow. Addressing the media persons today at Sangai Pro, Romendrojit Moirangcha said contractors are playing divide and rule policy among the labourers. He said they are demanding ₹6 per quintal from April to July and ₹11 per quintal from August onward. It may be mentioned that the labourers are on cease work against the non-payment of their wages by the contractors.
अखोई थबक सुनिंगदबदगी इरांग पामदगी इरांग सागतपने है वफमजिमा हौजी खोई लेरिबा मफमसिदा लेरिबा सि अखोई मियोय अदो खोई लेरिबा सि मियोय चामगनि पांगि मनुंगदा हौजी प्रेजेंट से चामग अमग प्रेजेंट ओइदनो लेरिबा सिदा मियोय अखोई मरक्ता सिक्सेप थाराकांदा डिवाइड एंड पॉलिसी रुन छानाराकांदा अखोई हाइरिबा इंस्टीट्यूशन जि मरम चादे हायतना अखोई हाइबा यानानबगी पोरम कंट्रेक्टरना हाइरक्लिबसी यामना युमफम यावदो वफमनि हाइबसी मंगासिगी अखोई पुलिबा मिफमसिना मयेक्सना ताकले हयेंदगी प्रजा मियामगी येंगलाकांदा अखोई खोंफमसि अखोई अगस्त की लुपा 13 पीब है गमोदब लेब तारगदी अखोई थबक सूरगसु कुसुम अमत लौदना हयेंदगी अखोई मफमसिदा अखोई हौदोक्चरकपनी हिंजरीबनी मफमसिदा अखोई ई ओरजु ओना अखोई पैसा अमत लौदना यानद्रिबावदी पैसा अमत लौदना अखोई थबक सूरगने.
38 zonal level students science seminar was held today on the theme of Pulses for Sustainable Food Security, Prospects and Challenges. Altogether, 25 students of class 8 to 10 participated in the seminar organized by Science Unit, Zonal Education Office, Zone 1 at ZEO Complex, Khuya Thong. Speaking to Impact News, ZEO Zone 1 Science Supervisor Oinam Bijendra said the seminar will help the students in understanding the benefits of science in production of more food crops. Out of the 25 students who participated in the seminar today, 2 students will be selected to participate in the state-level science seminar to be held next month. It is worth mentioning that Food and Agricultural Organization FAO has declared the 2016 as the International Year of Pulses.
Population hengalakoi matungina nong gi khoi ngasagi chinjak te pressure lakpa land da na chinjak te pressure lakpa chinjak se da pressure lakpa loina na khoi ngasagi sum khoina in comparison pulses sing adagi vegetable atai adagi red meat ke kak leiriba sing se compare to matam da pulses de yauriba magi ngasagi nutritional value sing asi aduki matik wangba maduna marum weraga mamai thangdadi khoi ngasagi khoi gi population hengalapagi food ki pressure se khar makai khoi ngasagi kanthok ko sungam na ba aduga loina na thaba the matam changdaba yam marang kaina su hobu yaba round the year hobu yaba webna akoi pulses singsina ultimately akoi chinjak punu ki mohut sinbo egani.
A franchise of American Fried Chicken and American Pizzas, Boris Enterprises AFC APZ, has been launched today at Babupara. Chief Secretary O. Navakishore opened the fast food restaurant specialized in chicken items. Boris Enterprises is a venture of entrepreneur Laishram Baleshwar, where pure vegetarian and non-vegetarian preparations will be available. It is the 19th such a franchise in the whole country.
Masina aikoigi quality of life aikoigi maruan imphal leiriba younger generation amasung younger danatana ate generation gi miyoi singi life ta nungaiba harauba dugumba ma purakani na aikoi Thazei, Sumba outlet ama, Han Boina, Impal, the Purokwa, Masiki Damakta, Masiki entrepreneur Oiriba, Mioishing Chibuza Erna Tagasari.
The LM Eco Bag, an eco-friendly biodegradable bag manufactured by DLM Eco Solution Private Limited, Chennai, was launched at Classic Granite Dynasty Hall today. The bag is marketed in Manipur by RS Enterprises. The bag is made on the theme Go Free for Mother Earth with an aim to reduce pollution. Speaking at the launching, DLM Eco Solution Private Limited Director Deepak Mangang said the habit of using biodegradable bag should be inculcated among the people to reduce pollution, environmental degradation. He urged the authorities concerned to ban use of plastic bags and also appealed to the public to use biodegradable bags instead of conventional plastic bags.
Once disposed of the decomposed biomass water highway, which is completely eco-friendly. Conventional bags in the 400 years decomposed out the pollution environment is completely deformed already.
Four-day documentary project development lab and pitching workshop on document visual actuality 2 kicked off today at Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium on Palace Compound. The workshop is jointly organized by Manipur State Film Development Society, Television and Cine Foundation Manipur and Win Foundation Manipur in collaboration with Documentary Resource Initiative Kolkata. Renowned documentary makers from other parts of India will speak on the subject. 10 documentary projects based on Nagaland, Assam, Tripura and Manipur will also be launched at the workshop. The workshop is solely hosted by the 4 organizations.
Film idea si mapanda fazana develop tawraga mapanda international broadcasters foreign funding agency mayama paisa thadagi na ngai na lei adubu koi Manipur da koi north east di koi film si idea si fazana develop tawa haitaba aduga develop taw taraga su fazana pitch tawa haitaba fazana yon ba haitaba fazana mi si convince tawa haitaba adugi problem si koi gi sigi documentary 2 haina koi sinjari si television cine foundation na sinjiba kano workshop si sigi si development amasung pitching si fazana hainaba koi filmmaker singda adugi damakta sinjabani.
Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy will celebrate Julon Yatra on August 18. Students of the academy will perform at JNMDA Mandap in the afternoon. A collection of critical essays by Gurumayum Bijoy Kumar Sharma, Aina Karigedamak Iribano, was launched today at the function held at Dave Literature Center on DM College campus. The event was hosted by Manipur Literary Society Imphal. Now, the government has allowed online authentication using Aadhaar for new mobile connections. The guidelines for Aadhaar Electronic Know Your Customer (eKYC) were issued to make the online process of application and authentication faster and simpler for subscribers. Department of Telecom decided to launch it across all service areas, including Jammu and Kashmir and Northeast. The move will also bring down the cost of subscriber acquisition significantly, as telecom companies will not have to spend on physical transportation of forms, verification, scanning and storage. The eKYC solution is an instant, secure and green mobile subscriber verification project where a customer's Aadhaar card and fingerprint are adequate for validating and activating prepaid and postpaid connections. Now in sports, SKYC Awang Sekmai and DM Rao Awang Sekmai beat their opponents at the 17th S. Birendra Singh Memorial Super Division Football League organized under the aegis of Imphal West District Football Association at SKYC ground in Awang Sekmai. SKYC Awang Sekmai beat Chikal Chajing 2-1 in the 4th league match. DM Rao Awang Sekmai beat YDO Lamdong Konjeng Laikai 3-1 in the 5th league match. 8 teams are taking part in the league tournament. The selection trial of Imphal East District Badminton Association will be held on August 29 at 8 a.m. at ESU Indoor Hall. The selection trial was earlier scheduled for August 28. Players are asked to bring birth certificate and other necessary documents. Now, before we wind up, here is a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Ratan appears in public for the first time after the wanted tag takes part in protest at Kaisabad. 6 injured as Band supporters pelted stones at oil tankers in Senapati. Driver of an oil tanker critically injured. And a former Union Minister, Dr. Nazma Heptullah, will be the first woman governor of Manipur.